How to add click removal to your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Audacity, and now this is the home page as you can see. Now after you import your audio, all what you have to do here is simple. Just select it like this by clicking double click, and now here go to effect here in the top. After you click on effect here, you will find many options, but all what you have to do is scroll down until you find this click removal. Click on it, and congratulations, here you will be able to manage it easily and fast. You can change everything from here, as you can see, from the threshold and the max spike with white. After you finish, click OK. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later, and thank you so much.